Hey my peeps, let's fake bake some pecan pie cookies. So I'm gonna roll out my cookie dough colored clay, and I'm gonna be using a candy corn cutter, so don't put your candy corn cutter away yet. The candy corn cutter is pretty versatile. I've made tons of different cookies with that candy corn cutter. Anyway, so you just gonna get that piece out, and then you're gonna get you some chocolate clay. This is Tootsie Roll from Designs by Yanita, and I really like that clay. The consistency is nice and the color is pretty good. It does look like Tootsie Roll. I'm just gonna cut out another piece to put on top of my dough colored clay. Make sure you fix those edges, because sometimes when you use a cookie cutter, it has little bits of leftovers. Make sure you get those. Just put that on top of my cookie dough, and now I'm going to make the edge, the pie's edge. So I'm just going to roll a log. I mean, you could, if you have a mold, a nice mold, you could use that, but I kind of didn't want to use a mold because I know that a lot of people don't have molds. So I'm going to try to do everything by hand. So I got that acrylic piece from Dollar Tree. So if you go to your Dollar Tree and you see an acrylic piece, pick it up. It really does help make those logs look nice. So then I'm just gonna do that, make sure I got that on good, and I'm just gonna get a toothpick and just press like indentations into the clay, because I didn't want to do like a twist or anything like that, because sometimes when I do the twist it just doesn't look right. So I'm thinking maybe that we just keep it simple and use a toothpick. And then I'm going across the other way, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. You could just leave it the way it is. Like on the other cookies, I didn't do that. I don't know why I did it on this one, but I did. So I'm gonna get some Mod Podge and just put that on the top of the cookie, because you know pecan pie has like what, I don't know what's that called, on the, you know, underneath the filling that you put the pecans on, it's kind of like shiny and stuff. So I wanted to have that shine. Now you know, this not really gonna look like a real pecan pie, because it's clay and it's just for fun and just for our tier tray. So basically I just rolled it out, shaped it into like a little teardrop shape, and just press my toothpick in there like twice to make the indentations, and then I just filled in the cookie all the way up until I got to the bottom. And if you need to make space, because the cookie is there's hardly no space left, just cut the pecan in half and stick it on in there. That's it. Just fill it up. Okay, so like I said, this is just for fun. Of course, it's not like realistic or anything like that, but you know what, I've been thinking about making this pecan cookie, so I just went for it. And I'm going to take some more of that Mod Podge, and because I want it to shine on the top as well, because you know, once you make that pecan pie and you put the filling on top, it kind of has a little bit of a shine as well. So I usually don't put Mod Podge or anything on my fake bakes, but because this is supposed to simulate pecan pie, I did. Okay, so there you go. See how I got a little shine on it? So those are the pecan pie cookies, y'all. I don't know how y'all feel about that, but let me know. And I'll talk to y'all soon. Make you some. It's pretty easy, and the kids can help make some too. Alright? Gotta get those fall tier trays going. Talk to you soon. Bye.